Salutation to the God. Salutation to the God. Only God is true. Always. Always only God is true and a reality. Because no faith on the body, no faith on the world. Actually, entirely by heart, we cannot believe on the mortal bodies individually. Means we cannot believe on the world because no surety, no sure of the body, no sure of the world. Because world where is a body that is exactly dream. The world where is bodies, man's body, where is human, this world actually dream. When we realize dream in the night, in the sleeping time, the experience of the dream of the night at sleeping time, the same experience in the daytime also. Because the experience of daytime, this is a dream of a long period, short period. Only the difference, long period, short period. When we sleep, when we experience of the dream, the time is short. And in the daytime, we have experience of a long time. Long and short. The difference only long and short. But the nature is same. The nature of dream, the nature of the daytime's experience, the same. Dream actually is not true. Dream actually is not true. But God is true. God is true. We can realize the nature of God from the example of sound sleep. We can realize the experience of the God at the time of sound sleep, because the experience of the sound sleep is the experience of the God. It has been said on supreme philosophy of the world, that is Vedanta philosophy. Vedanta philosophy is the supreme philosophy of the world. Vedanta means conclusion of Vedas. And in our experience also, when you when we realize the experience of sound sleep, there is a full of pleasure. There is a self-enlightenment. There is pure experience. There is no oral. There is no bodies. So no possible of death at the experience of sound sleep. So we belong to sound sleep. We don't belong to dream. We have faith on the experience of sound sleep. We have no faith on the experience of dream, because our real nature is God. Our real nature is God. Actually, in fact, in reality, our position is according to God. So we should realize the experience of God every time, because God is original. Oral is duplicate. Oral is duplicate. Original is God. So we belong to God. Actually, we have no connection with the dream, which is actually false. Where is only tensions, where is only troubles, many kinds of troubles, where is full of fear, afraid, fear. So to be free from tensions, to be free from troubles, to be free from fearness of the death of the body, we should be according to God. This we should decide. At present, we should decide, because no surety of the body up to tomorrow. So whatever we have, whatever we decide at the present time, we should decide, because present time is ours. Past is past, future is uncertain. So present is our property. Present time is our great property, from where we can decide only about the God. So we should be changed into the God. We should live according to God. It is true. We can believe from the example of rope and snake. Rope always true, snake always false. Snake is duplicate, rope is original. That means according to rope, that is God. according snake, that is world. So in Sanskrit says, Eko Brahma Ditya Nasti. Eko Brahma Ditya Nasti. Only God is. Except God, nothing. The meaning of Sanskrit. Great sentence. Eko Brahma Ditya Nasti. Supreme sentence of the Sanskrit language. That means only God. So we belong to God. In Hindi language, in Indian language, अपना स्वरूप वास्तव में परमात्मा है. इसके लिए स्वप्न और सुषुप्ति दोनों का अनुभव लेना पड़ता है. सुषुप्ति जो गाढ़ निद्रा है, जो साउंड स्लीप है, उसमें केवल परमात्मा का ही अनुभव होता है. उस अनुभव को लेना पड़ता है. और जो स्वप्न का अनुभव है वो मिथ्या है, वो वास्तव में झूठ है. सत्य है परमात्मा. हम लोग का स्वरूप है परमात्मा. इसलिए अब भी इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम, इस टाइम में, वर्तमान समय में परमात्मा में निश्चय करके रहना पड़ता है. नेपाली लैंग्वेज हाम्रो स्वरूप परमात्मा नहीं हो. गाढ़ा निद्रा र स्वप्नको उदाहरणबाट हामीले जान्न सक्छौं. गाढ़ा निद्राको अनुभव हो परमात्माको अनुभव. बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद आदिले सुषुप्तिको अर्थात् गाढ़ा निद्राको अनुभवबाट परमात्मामा बदलिन निश्चित रूपमा सकिन्छ भनेर हामीलाई विश्वस्त पार्नु भएको छ. संसार हो स्वप्न बराबर. रातिको स्वप्न छोटो, दिनको स्वप्न लामो. लामो र छोटोको मात्रै यहाँ प्रसङ्ग हो. दुईटै सपना हो. दुईटै यथार्थ सत्य होइन. सत्य हो परमात्मा. त्यसकारण हाम्रो स्वरूप परमात्मा हो हर हालतमा. यही समयमा हामीले निश्चय गर्नुपर्छ. वर्तमान समय हाम्रो बितेको कुरा बितिसक्यो. भविष्य अनिश्चित छ, हाम्रो हातमा छैन. हाम्रो हातमा वर्तमान समय छ. त्यसैले वर्तमान समयमा, अहिलेको समयमा, आजको समयमा तेरो शरीर भोलिसम्म रहन्छ भनेर कोही भन्न सक्दैन. त्यसैले आफ्नो काम अहिले सिद्ध्याइहाल्नुपर्छ, समाप्त गर्नुपर्छ. त्यो हो परमात्मा रूपले बदलिएर रहिराख्नु. यो हो मनुष्य जीवनको सबैभन्दा ठुलो सफलता. Great success of the man, in the life of man, to decide to convert into the God. आज के लिए यही हम लोगों के लिए असली पाठ है. आज का मतलब विक्रम संवत 2081 साल भाद्र महीनाको 12 गते, आज बुधबार, अकॉर्डिंग इंग्लिश डेट 2024, month August 28. Today, what is day today? According to Hinduism, भाद्र कृष्ण पक्ष दशमी तिथि बुधबार. We are listening, telling from Balaram GC, titles of the Pradip Saraswati, President of Akhand Sukha Kendra from Nepal country, from Bhairava city. And we are listening, telling through radios, through FM radios, name Rubandya FM, Radio Parasi, Srinagar FM, Kalpatansi, Mukti FM, Putol. We are listening and telling through radio. आज का जो असली पाठ है वो है हम लोगों का स्वरूप केवल परमात्मा है। वर्तमान में निश्चय करके परमात्मा रूप में रही रहना होगा। जब तक प्रारब्ध है तब तक शरीर अपना काम काज संस्कार के मुताबिक प्रारब्ध मुताबिक करते रहेगा, लेकिन अपना निश्चय केवल परमात्मा ही होना सबसे बेहतरीन है, सबसे अच्छा है। नाउ द टाइम इज एंडिंग। हरि ओम तत्सत।